Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude oil has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen that the crude price has made a high of around 130 and then from there it has come down. Okay, now it is currently trading at around 105.35. A high was around of 129.51. Okay, this is the high and this is the particular low which it has made of around 93.45, and from there it has moved upside. So what we can see in the next week, see, before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude oil and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. See, if you look at the chart, what we have seen, already told you in my previous video that there is a pattern. So I again repeat, if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe it. See, look at the chart. This is from 2020 May. Okay, it has started because it has come in the negative. Okay, and from there what we have seen, it made a high. You can say this is the particular high, and from there once it made a high, it moved and come down and made a low of around 33.38, made a high of around 44.11 to 33.38. okay, and after that, after making this particular low, again it break that particular high, made a high of around 67.87. okay, understood this, and after that made a low of around 59.06. okay, you got it. This is the particular green candle, red candle we have seen after making a particular high. Again it made a high of around 76.68. okay, and from there it made a low of around 61.74. this is another first, second, third, and this is the fourth one. Again it made a high of around 86.26, and from there it has come down, made a low of around 64. okay, so you can see this particular movement is happening, and now again it made a high of around 129, and from there it is continuously coming down and made a low of around 93. so what we can see, if the price sustain now, if the price sustain above 105 or 108, we can see it can move further upside. okay, because the pattern has formed this in this particular form. But one more thing, that we have seen this particular range, that we have seen 4-5 more candles, but there are only two candles. So probability is there we can see further fall in the price of crude if the level of 95 didn't sustain. We can see a level of 88 also, and if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move with a support of 77 to a support of 77. okay, so now currently trading at around 105.35. suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 108.93, and if this level sustain upside, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 116.30, and from there we see if this level also sustain, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 119.06, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level 121.82. suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see a level of 126.43, and from there we can see it can 87, and suppose if it goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 139.78, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 147.14, and it can go further upside. okay, but suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further low. okay, it can move further low. From there we can see it can move touch a level of 100. okay, it can touch a level of 102.03, and from there if it goes up below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 97.11, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 97.68. suppose if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 94.06, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 89.22, and from there if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 85.60, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 77.15, which I have already explained in my previous video. okay, and if the price goes below the 77, then we can see it can touch a level of 66.88, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 54.20. If you are looking for a longer view, then I've already told you that trading is risky, okay, and it is a process that you have to understand, okay. But if you are investing for a longer view, then for gold and silver and the commodities, good commodities, you can, every dip is a buying opportunity, but that is my personal view. But for trading, I always suggest that if you are trading with $10,000, this is just people might be trading with 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or 10 lakhs amount, but what should be your strategy? Okay, what I do, this is the particular trade I do, that I used to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. So if I take 5 trades also, then my risk is 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100 if I'm trading per trade with $1,000. So that I know my risk is $500 per day if I'm trading per day 5 trades. Okay, so the thing is that because if I lose even for 5 trades, I know that I can trade with ease and comfortable mind in the next day. Okay, I will not be recovering my amount, so I'll be focusing more on profit rather than recovering the amount. This is very important. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope I'm making short videos so that you watch it full and understand better. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you. Okay.